Hey guys, so I'm here today with my John Deere 2305, and I'm having a bit of an issue with the ground speed. I got it all taken apart, and if you're having an issue like this, don't assume the worst like I did. Don't assume that it's a big transmission problem at first. There's a good chance you're having the same problem as me, and it's much simpler than you think. So, I was having issues where my ground speed was down to about 2 miles an hour when it should be up at around 8 for my specific tractor, and I went out and bought all the stuff to replace the transmission fluid and tune up the whole tractor, and it was much simpler than I expected. Okay, I'm going to see if I can explain this. So, if you look at these pedals, the gas pedal is sitting a lot faster than the reverse, or a lot lower than the reverse pedal. So, when I was driving, I really just clicked it down, it got behind this piece of plastic, and it went full speed. And this explains why it was going full speed in reverse, but having a problem going forward. Now, if you watch, you can actually pull this pedal up, and they stay equal right there. And then you push it down, this is where it was resting before. So if you pull it up, and if we go ahead and take a look underneath, you will see. So here is that reverse pedal. If you see, when I push this pedal, it's moving that shaft with it. Now the forward pedal, when I push it up to where it's supposed to be and pull it down to where it's resting, you'll see it's moving this piece right here, but not moving the shaft right there. I'll do that a few times. See how it's just kind of sliding loosely over the shaft and not actually moving the shaft, while this one moves the shaft with it. So if you look right here, you'll notice the one that's working, the reverse pedal, has a little cotter pin pushed in. But if you look onto the forward pedal, that pin's missing. And if you come around to the other side, you'll notice that the pin is just pushed up right there. So if you watch this again, this pedal is actually moving around that shaft without actually moving the shaft itself. See that right there? While this pedal is actually just moving with its shaft under there. So I got the pin all taken out and pushed back up in from the bottom, and pedals are back aligned as they are supposed to be. And what do you know? It's 100% back to normal. So hope this was helpful to you, and because this was a lot simpler than the fix I was expecting to have to do for this particular problem.